Hello friends, welcome to Hari's Edu World. I am Hari Krishnan talking. Friends, today I am here with the top 25 GK questions related to one of the controversial article in Indian Constitution, and it is Article 370. Okay, let's go to the questions. The first question: which article in Indian Constitution gave autonomous status to Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Article 370. Article 370 is drafted in which part of the Constitution? Answer: Part 21. Jammu and Kashmir become part of India on 26 October 1947. This date is very important. India government abrogated Article 370 on 5th August 2019. When did Union territories of Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir come into existence? 31st October 2019. This is a very important date. Which act converted Jammu and Kashmir state into two union territories? The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. So, through this act, the Jammu and Kashmir state is divided into two union territories. And which are those two union territories? The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the administration of union territories? Article 239. What is the assembly duration in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? 5 years. So before the abrogation of Article 370 it was 6 years, but after the abrogation it is rescheduled to 5 years. Which of the following article is applicable to Jammu and Kashmir after revoking Article 370? And here we have 4 options, and the right answer is Article 360. So Article 360 is related to the financial emergency. When did Lok Sabha pass the Jammu and Kashmir Official Languages Bill? On 23rd September 2020. So this bill make 5 languages including the Urdu, Hindi, Kashmiri, Dogri and English as the official language of the region. Name the bill which is passed for the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. A very important question. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill. So the Union Home Minister Amit Shah presented the bill after abrogation of the special status granted to Jammu and Kashmir. So who presented this Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill in the Lok Sabha? It was by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Which presidential order amended the Article 370 to abolish monarchy in Jammu and Kashmir? Presidential Order of 1952. Article 35A was added to the Constitution by which presidential order? Presidential Order of 1954. So Article 35A confers the special rights and privileges upon the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir. The number of Lok Sabha constituencies in Jammu and Kashmir? 5. Who was the Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir at the time of Presidential Order of 1954 that added Article 35A to the Constitution? Bakshi Ghulam Muhammad. Okay, the next question. The number of districts in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: 20. Which are the two districts in Union Territory of Ladakh? Answer: Kargil and Leh. The number of Union Territories in India after revoking Article 370? Answer: 8. Number of Legislative Assembly in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: 114. Which are the two districts in Union Territory of Ladakh? Kargil and Leh. Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer Manoj Sinha. So Manoj Sinha, he was a civil engineer and also he served as the Minister of State for Communication and also the Minister of State for Railways. Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Ladakh? Answer Radhakrishna Mathur. So Radhakrishna Mathur, he retired as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in November 2018. Article 35A was added to Indian Constitution by which President of India? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So as we know, the Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India and he was in his office from 1950 to 1962. Which article deals with permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir? Article 35A. Which is the highest green golf course in the world? Answer Gulmarg Golf Course. So friends, do subscribe this channel and enable the notification button to get the latest video alert. More informative videos are waiting for you, and share this video to others. Thank you for watching.